Ki kanak skul jangka painmau skul kile thu baki jusu san spa haduh henru spa kabai library hari kat kum ka jinglap jongki kmi ki kpa ka jinglek jurip jongki ya ketika skul hakas ngi balang lalap bai ka library la penlong kum ka kamera kelas nalor kata kile thu ru bai ka auditorium bala shna naduh usnam arjak hanru om pacham la pyndonkam shisienruh ne penlong ki program na ka benta ki kanak skul ha ka bakate ka auditorium kala long kum ka jakasan merat badap setang lagi snur tabawa bat ki jabo jaban nangta kum juru ka madani lekai kabala tap setang daki plang kilapan paru ka jingban yau ba kim juyo bane menta hakino kino ki jingel ekai la kalong ha skul lane shabar jongkaru kumju kumta kilakan tu ka sarkar bakan pejlam bat sngap ya ka jingdawa jongkin hui kai ki kmi ki kpa bar kumjuru ki khana skul ban penhiar shkino e ka principal ha kasngi pale ki khana skul kilami ban penlong jinga ki persya halor ka jingbombyang jongkate ka jaka pule nandu ki jaka lejbar ki kamera kelas nalor kiwe.
Minor issues, yes. We would like for there to be a library. The girls are paying library fees. They're paying development fees, but we are not seeing that turn into anything. Our school does not have a proper library. Our auditorium, it has been built since 2016. 2016. Up till now, never has there once been an occasion where we have used our auditorium. Our field has just recently gone into construction, but up until now there has been no incident where we have used our fields. We have not organized inter-school activities up until now. Pine has really suffered in that sphere. We do not participate in any more inter-school competitions, nothing. So we're really lacking, and our girls are really missing out on a lot of it.
When you said you have to pay for computer classes and development fees, is that monthly?
No, just annual.
How much is the library fee?
We're not really sure. It is around 500 to 600. It can change depending on the year, but as of this year, I think it's around 500 to 600. Tomorrow, and maybe perhaps tomorrow afternoon, if the weather permits. So we hope that whoever's watching this, please reach out to Pine School. Please help understand the situation of this school. We are not. We are in a really dire situation as of now. Our girls are really lacking the facilities which they are entitled to. We need better computers. We need better facilities in the classroom, like the AC, the fans. We need smart classes. We need more projectors in the class. We cannot have leaking roofs. We cannot have non-participation, because that takes away a lot more than just the academic excellence of the school. That takes away more than that. It takes away the prestige of Pine Mount, so to say. Really the prestige, but more so the name that Pine Mount has built up over all these years. We have been a very proactive school throughout all our years, and we have hoped to maintain that. But because our girls are not getting the chance to go out there, to go and explore their options, they're basically limited to just their books. So we would hope for there to be more facilities to provide girls more outlet than just inside the books, perhaps more sports facilities, more music facilities. Give the girls a little chance to know that there is more than just being a teacher, being a professor, being a doctor, being an engineer. There's so much more that the girls can achieve. This has been going on for the past 7 years. There have been instances before where people have come from outside. So the PTA has also, I think once upon a time, they had come to survey the school toilets, but there was action taken against them. But towards the end of the day, we still did not get to see the changes that we wanted to see. All we got in return was, I think, just a few toilets that were inaugurated during our sports event. That also was not inter-school. It was just among our girls. So we are really hoping that whoever's listening behind the camera, especially the government, please heed our grievances. Please listen. The girls are really suffering out here. We are really under threat of so much more than just lacking facilities, and more so it's a health concern also. The girls refuse to use the toilets also. So it's really a big thing. Not only that, the fans in class, we need ACs, we need fans, because in case the girls are going through any sort of medical emergency, we can turn them on at any moment. As you know, there's been a lot of climate change recently. Shillong's temperature has gone up by a large margin. The girls inside the classrooms are feeling stuffy, they'll faint, heat strokes.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with a mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.